Hey everyone, we're about to look into our power tool rack here. You can kind of see the image on the side. So let's open it up and see what we got. Take my trusty dusty letter opener here and tape it well for shipping. All right, see what we got inside. Okay, so you got your rack. It's kind of railed here, it looks like. Let's see, this must be the other side. Same rail. Set those over here. Oh, there we go. One of your baskets is the top shelf or the middle shelf. Ah, there we go. There's your second shelf. Oh, I stand corrected. There are 3 shelves on this tool rack. All the better. Now the part that we all love. The power strip and the actual hanger for the tools. Let's see if I can get these out of here. There we go. So there's your power strip. You've got 6 plugs on it. And there's your basket for your power tools. Yeah, this one, another basket for the power tools. This one's the one that goes off to the side. And your smaller tool brackets. We got a couple bags of hardware and some instructions equipped with pictures on how to put it together. So let's put this thing together and see what happens. Here we've got our power tool rack all assembled and installed. Fits nicely on the wall. It's got 4 anchor points where you fasten it in. It's got your several different, let's see here, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots for power tools. Your 3 different shelves, we've got some different bits and accessories on them, and then our battery charger, which we've got plugged right in to the 6-port power strip. You can also see there's some spots for smaller screwdrivers, for larger screwdrivers, for hammers or larger hand tools. There's also these hooks for hanging up some smaller pieces. You got 4 of those all around. And it's because it's metal, even your magnetic tools will stick onto it real easily. And so overall, a really nice compact product for hanging it and handling your tools. And yeah, definitely a good addition to any garage. So thank you for watching my review.